So obviously you can't do these in... Ooh, God, that was close. Okay, so this is what happens when you're messing about. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Mini Neo and the Avata 2. And what we're going to be doing in this video is doing the Easy Acro. Now, I'm hoping to show you how you set up it for the Neo, but it'd be exactly the same for the Avata 2. So we get on with it. So at the moment, I've got everything's on. You know, my motion controller, my goggles, and the Neo. What I'm going to do first, I'm just going to get the Neo up in the air, and then hopefully I'll be able to show you on the screen what's going on. Okay, do it forward. Flick it to the right. Okay. Do it again. To the left. I mean, I do love that one. Right, I don't think it's going to do the flip somehow. Okay, it did. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. High wind. Don't like the wind. No. Okay. So that is one of the major problems with the Neo. So what we're doing now, we're going to change it over to the Avata 2. I mean, what I love about this, you can just change them over pretty quick, guys. I've got it already in Acro for the Avata 2. Just get it taken off. You can only do the movements of the Acro. If I slide the thing, you can see it's gone to slide, flip, and drift. I do love the drift, and that's the thing that we're going to try and do in front of the camera if it's possible. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so I'm going to do a right one. That's what I call the 180 flip. I mean, to be honest, 180 drift. Obviously, you've got your finger down, it goes a lot quicker. I just want to put it on camera for you so you can see what's going on. You just let go of your finger. Okay, we're going to see if we can do the flip. And it will tell you if you're too low. I'm just going to turn it around again. Okay, here we go. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go out and fly over this mine a little bit more. Let's take it out. I'm going to do a couple of flips. Okay, it only works better when you're out sort of up higher, really. I'm just going to... and then the other thing is as well, I've only got it on, I believe, 1080-60. I could have slowed it down, but you get the gist of it. I'm just going to go back over the mine. And we'll just go around that way. Okay, bring it back. Yeah, we've got a bit of wind. Okay. Obviously, you have to be careful when you do these sort of things. This is another reason why I like the Neo, really. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, we're gonna do the drift now. So I'm just gonna change the wheel. There it is. Off we go. And I'm just gonna bring this to the left. I do love that because I think that's a good shot if you're sort of finishing a video or something. I'll do a right one. And we're flying back over the mine there. Let's do it again. Just going over the mine there. Ooh, that's a bit low. That could have been interesting, that. I'll see if I can go into sports mode. Okay, can we do sports mode? Unable to perform in sports mode. Okay, so that answers the question, because I know somebody's going to say that. Sean, can you do it in sports mode? And the simple question is no, but I'll try it again. No. I'll see if I can do it in the flip, because I know somebody's going to say that. Can you do it in the flip? No. So obviously you can't do these in... Ooh, God, that was close. Okay, so this is what happens when you're messing about. I didn't see that, did you? Or did you see that? Easy Acro with the Mini Neo, and obviously the Avata too. Now, I'm amazed what this little drone can do. I mean, I didn't think we could do it in Easy Acro, especially the 180 drift and also the flip. But this one, I know can do it, and you can handle it quite well. And I do love that 180 drift. To me, that's the best. Obviously, this Neo, it struggles with the wind. It's a bit windy now. Usually here in Spain, the wind picks up in the afternoon. That's why I thought, better get out now and get it done before it's just too much. And obviously, with the wind, it stopped me doing it every now and again. But that's fine. Just proves what you can do with the Neo. Amazing. And if you notice what I'm doing now on my FPV Friday slot, I'm bringing the Neo in with it, because what I'm trying to do now is when I go out to a new location, I'll send the Neo out first on a test run to get used to it, and then I'll bring out the big boy for the speed. So as always, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, there'll be another video coming very soon.